Hello everyone, hope you are doing well wherever it is that you are watching me from. I am Imole Ayo Adisa of Gifted Hands Drum Academy. And what do we do at Gifted Hands Drum Academy? Our vision is actually to bring together and to tutor, to train kids that are just coming up to develop interest in playing traditional African percussions. You know, African percussion is so good and so cool to listen to, but then it has most time been demonized by saying everything black and everything African is not good, is devilish and that. But then come off it, talking drum in Africa and the African drums, African percussions are very soothing to listen to and to even play and to even learn. In case you would like to know anything or know more about African percussion, you can actually hit us on through the numbers scrolling on your screen at this point in time. So you know, Africa is so populated, and through that we have so many cultures, meaning we have many drums and many form of entertainment in Africa. So now we have so many kind of drums, and you know, from Ghana we have the Palongo and the Fotonfron. From South Africa we have the Djembe, and from Nigeria, which is our focus, especially the western part of Nigeria, we have different kind of drums there. We have the Dundun, we have the Bata, we have the Agbamoles, we have the Ugido. And in case you feel there's a particular kind of drum or there are other drums that I'm not talking about that I'm leaving behind, of course, feel free to hit into the comment section and add yours to be a part of the discussion also, please. Thank you. And I'm talking about, so now with our concentration on the Dundun family. The Dundun family is populated with mostly drums that are cone-like in shape and always handled on the shoulder. So we have the omele, we have gudu, then we have the iyalu itself. The iyalu, as it is called, means the mother drum. And what makes it a mother drum is that apart from the size, that it is bigger than others, so apart from the size, then there's always a rattle, or what we can call chimes, that is always attached to the two ends of the drum that gives an added sound to it when it is being played. So it is not the sound you get from Adamo, which some people will also call gungun, that you get from the Dundun or Iyalu. So that is it. So in the next video, I would like to introduce you to other parts of the drum. I want you to see the drum as I'll be holding them, then calling their names, and then introducing you to other parts of the drum. Thank you very much.